In an earlier video, we showed you the best website design builders that you can use for free. After that video, many of you asked what's the best overall, including those that cost money. So in this top 5, we'll count down the absolute best web design software to create an awesome looking website, going over the pros and cons of each. Whether you have coding experience or not, we've got you covered. We'll help you to find one that fits your needs. Coming up next on Zane's Tech. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is Squarespace. Some of you might recall that it began as a blog hosting service in 2004. Since then, it's changed quite a bit with features for web designers that make it a great all-in-one solution, especially for those of you with no coding experience. They get a lot of praise for their high-quality templates, which are available in more than a dozen categories, including fashion, health and beauty, events and weddings, restaurants, and many others. But with less templates than many of its competitors, with just over 100 to choose from, it's possible you could end up creating a site that looks similar to others on the web, also using Squarespace. If you're looking to sell online, their e-commerce tools will help you to optimize your business. The SEO and analytics tools built in to help get your site at higher rank on search engines. And you can also track how your site is performing. Squarespace does not offer a free tier. Instead, it offers a 14-day free trial so you can try it out. Plans start at $12 per month paid annually and includes a custom domain for free. And at number 4 is actually two different sites, similar names, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. I'll go over the features of each and point out their differences. Let's begin with WordPress.org. This one is free and open source software that can be installed on your computer, and it's intended for web designers that want to self-host their site instead of having it hosted elsewhere. It's quite popular for in-house design teams to create websites, including well-known companies like Sony Music, Clorox, the financial news site Bloomberg, and the Walt Disney Company. They have a massive number of design templates, which they call themes. At this time, they have more than 85 free themes to choose from to create your site. They also have more than 50,000 plugins to help customize your site the way you want it. But no coding experience is needed to use WordPress.org. It does have a slightly higher learning curve than most, but the large number of choices you have at your disposal. On their site, you'll find helpful tutorials that will teach you how to use it. WordPress.org can be installed on Windows, Mac, and Linux. On the flip side with WordPress.com, instead of your site being self-hosted, they provide free managed hosting, which is financially supported with paid upgrades. There's no software to install, running a modified version from WordPress.org. It's web-based and can be used in any browser. No coding experience is needed. And the advanced editor where you build with blocks makes it easy to customize the placement of each element, along with the color and size. You'll find 1,000 seconds of themes and add-ons you use for your project, some of which are free, while others labeled as premium do cost money. For those of you creating smaller websites, the free plan should fit your needs. But it is supported with WordPress.com ads to remove their ads and get a free domain for a year along with other features. Their plans start at $4 per month at paid annually and come with a 14-day money-back guarantee. And at number 3, Weebly, which is owned by Square, is best for those of you involved in e-commerce with no coding experience to create a professional-looking website with an online store. Its drag-and-drop tools make it easy to use when building your site, while lacking in design templates with only 63. At last count, they're all professionally designed and feature-packed. If using for e-commerce, it includes a fully integrated shopping cart with secure checkout and inventory tools to manage your stock. Other features include apps for Android and iPhone to manage your online store anywhere, anytime, free hosting, filter, product search, and a whole lot more. The free plan includes the basics, but limits your storage to 500 megabytes and does not allow you to connect a custom domain unless you upgrade. For additional features, those plans start at $6 per month billed annually with a 30-day money-back guarantee. In the runner-up spot, coming in at number 2, Wix is our pick for the best web-based software. It's easy to use, and it's great if you run a small business or you're a beginner with no coding knowledge or any web design experience. Wix is feature-packed. They now have more than 500 high-quality templates for you to choose from. That can be used in the drag-and-drop website editor. Advanced SEO tools to make your site higher in search engines, along with animation, scroll effects, and video backgrounds. For e-commerce, they're also one of the best if you plan to create and run an online store for your business. If you use the Wix pre-plan, the bandwidth and storage limit is 500 megabytes. With their premium plans that start at $14 per month paid annually, you get additional storage, you can add a custom domain, and get access to Google Analytics. All plans also include a 14-day money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied. In the top spot, coming in at number 1, Adobe Dreamweaver is the best overall web design software. If you want to create a truly unique website that doesn't look like any others on the internet, with full customization of each element, this is your best choice. You do have to have some basic coding knowledge to use it, but thanks to their access code hints, we can help you to learn web standards like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and many others. Their dynamic live view editing allows you to edit and preview your site in real time to make sure it looks great on any device. Here's a quick look at the interface. Currently, I have an encode view here at the top. To take full advantage of the program, you'll want to switch it to split view. You can adjust the split view panels by moving the cursor in between and dragging up and down. Anytime you add or make changes in the code or text here in the bottom, you can see the changes in the preview above it at the same time. Here's a quick example. I'll add a sentence here and go down to the code editor and add it. And as you can see, those changes were made here in the preview. Available for both Windows and macOS, Dreamweaver is not cheap. On their homepage, they do offer a 7-day free trial to purchase it by itself. The cost is around $21 per month. If you go with their Creative Cloud bundle with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and many others included, that will set you back a whopping $53 per month. Or if you're a student or teacher, you can get the Adobe suite of apps heavily discounted for just $19.99 per month. Thanks for watching. If you plan to create a website, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up and share with others. Let us know in the comments which web design software you plan to use and why. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with our newest top 5s and other tech-related stuff here on Zane's Tech.